Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can just read emails, then you earn money from reading the emails. You have been subscribing to so many emails. Every day you receive numerous email, but you don't get anything out of it. So for today, what I've got, I'm going to show you how you can read emails, then get paid after reading the emails. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, you have to go to Chrome, then we type in volutic.com, or you just go to Google, then you type volutic. It will it will open like this. Then you click on volutic. When it click when you click on volutic, you just register your email address. If you are having your computer or if you are using a laptop, you just go to register. Uh, you can register with Google, you can register with email, any email address, you can register with anything. I've already registered. So what I will have to do is I will just go back and sign in. So see, when you sign in, I'll just sign in. Today I will show you how much. Uh, 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 uh. Let me stop here.